welcome back. So as you can see, I have made one change, which is the backdrop. I just made a nice simple backdrop, and this is part 2 of how to make a clicker game. So yeah, so right now when you click the flag, it sets cash to 0, and when you click it, we get 1 cash, and it also looks like we're actually pressing the coin. I should actually call this coin clicker. Yeah, let's call this coin clicker then. So now let's paint another sprite. So right now we're just gonna make an upgrade. So let's just say a cursor upgrade. So I'm gonna paint a new sprite and going to select the rectangle option or the square. Just gonna fill this with black. I recommend black, but you can do whatever you want or whatever color you want. So make sure the rectangle is the right size and just center that. So maybe like that, and then I can make this a little bit bigger, like that. So this is my cursor upgrade right now. So now, don't know what's this. Let's ignore that. But now I'm just gonna draw a cursor upgrade. So let me just get this the bubble and then make this a little bit bright like that. And now I would recommend 5 if you want to make a picture, but it's okay, you don't need to draw a picture, but I would want to draw a picture. So just gonna draw just a okay, maybe not that. Okay, maybe a simple, just a simple mouse. So yeah, select this blue like that again. So like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, this is not a perfect mouse, but I'll go with it and just paint this right. So now we got the effect. Since it's an upgrade, I'm going to draw an arrow. So the player knows it's an upgrade instead of like a cursor. Instead of like, like cookie clicker, you can buy cursors that click for you. So like that. So now I'm going to select the text, make sure it's white or whatever color you want it to be, but just make sure the player can see the text. So I'm just going to name this cursor upgrade, and then cost maybe 100 cash, and let's just say 2 clicks per second. I would just say per sec, just for short, so the text can actually fit in here. So right now that's okay, I guess. Just shrink that down a little bit. Yeah, like that. So now as you can see, my cursor upgrade look is done. So now, when flag clicked, remember, drag your cursor upgrade to the position you want to be. Then you go to motion and go to X and Y, whatever your sprite is. And just in case, I would recommend putting the show, just in case if it accidentally hides. But now we could get the forever sprite, loop, sorry guys, the forever loop, and get the if statement, and now we go get the AND operator and go to sensing, touching mouse pointer and mouse down. So it should look like this. So now we go get another if statement, and then we go to operators, get the greater than, and go to variables, drag the cache like that. So it should look like this. And now since the cost is 100, I'm gonna put in 99, because if I put greater than 100, that means the price is 101, so 99. So right now it should be like this. When flag click, show, go to X whatever, forever loop, forever if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then if cash is greater than 99, then I would have a sound. So let me just find a sound. I would just make this sound. Yeah, this sound. That's good. Make this a little bit louder. Good, and let's go to sounds. Start sound. Collect. Start sound collect. Okay, now I would want the button pressing look. So again, we're gonna get 2 set size. And I guess put this to 95. Yeah, that looks good, I guess. And back. So if cash is greater than 99, start sound collect, set size to 95%, right under the start sound. And then we're gonna go to control, get the wait until, drag that under the set size. And then we're gonna go to operators, grab the not operator, and we're gonna duplicate this mouse down and put it right there. And then we're gonna set size to 100% right after. So yeah. But also we need this sprite to actually change the cash. So change cash by, since the price is 100 minus 100, like that. So now we're gonna make another variable. This is gonna be cursor upgrade, or you can call it whatever you want. Cursor upgrade, and press OK. So we're just gonna hide that, and then we're gonna set, actually, you know what? Let's set cursor upgrade instead of change for now. So set cursor upgrade to 2, and go back to your money sprite and set the cursor upgrade to 1. And now we're gonna stay on the money sprite. We're gonna drag the cursor upgrade and put it into the change cash. So now it should be like change cash by cursor upgrade. What this does, since you set cursor upgrade to 1, it's gonna change cash by 1 because it's gonna be changing cash by the cursor upgrade. So when you go back to the upgrade sprite, it sets it to 2. So then you're gonna have 2. You're gonna get 2 cash per click. So let's just have a testing thing. So when space is pressed, I guess set cash to 1,200. Okay, now if I press this, I have 1,200 cash. When I press this, as you can see, it pressed down and made the noise, and I minus 100. So now I should be getting 2 cash every single time now, as you can see. And when we press the flag again, it's only increasing by 1 since we set the cursor upgrade to 1. So yeah. So the next thing I would like right now is the hide. To hide now. So maybe, actually this will be only temporary, but I'm just going to do hide right now, then hide. So when you buy it, you can't buy it again because it's only setting. But this will only be temporary for the moment, but yeah. So now I feel like I want to make the game, right now the game's looking kind of bored. So right now I'm just going to make, let's just duplicate this. I want to duplicate this, but then yeah, duplicate the money sprite, and then just take away all these codes, and we're gonna go to costume. I would just shrink this down. I wanted like when you start the game, it's raining money a little bit, and you could do twisted because like that, because it's actually raining money. So yeah, so like this. So because now we're gonna get when flag is clicked, we're gonna hide the original sprite because we're gonna be making clones. And forever, get the forever loop and go to and scroll down here, create clone of myself. Forever, click create clone of myself, sorry. And I would say wait about, let's just say 0.2 seconds, because if I don't add the wait 0.2 seconds, it's gonna lag like crazy because there's gonna be so much coins falling down. So I'm gonna go back to control. When I start as a clone, I would say get the go to and go to looks, get the show. So go to, so when I start as a clone, show, go to X. So we'll go to operators, get the block called pick random, put it into the X position, and now we're gonna measure. So drag your sprite to like where the edge, and you can see where the X position is. So right now my one says minus 224, so I'm gonna put minus 224. So minus 224, and go all the way over here and see what the X position is, like 222. Or I'll just say 4 because they're the same. So now, and I would recommend putting them kind of like there. So maybe 175. And now we're gonna go to the so now when we click, you can see they're making clones of themselves, but they're not actually dropping down. So we're gonna get the repeat until and go to motion, change Y. I'll just stick with 10, I guess. The reason why I put repeat until is because we're gonna do another sprite. There will be an easier way to do this, but for now I'm just gonna get the line sprite. So where's the line sprite? Actually, I can just search it here. Just search line, get the line sprite. So now when you're on your line sprite, just like that. So yeah, so go to motion, get the block go to, and I'll put the X position as 0, like that. And when flag is clicked, we're not gonna hide this, even though we want the player not to see this, because if we don't hide it, the money ain't gonna touch it. So we're gonna go to looks again. Instead of hiding it, we're gonna be setting the ghost effect by 100. So it's invisible, but it's still there. So set ghost effect to 100, like that. As you can see, it's completely invisible, but it's still actually there. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that, as you can see. So repeat until, so back to your little money sprite, we're gonna go to sensing, repeat until touching line, which is this right here. Repeat until touching line, and then we're gonna go to control and delete this clone. So let's see now. It's not actually raining down. Let me see this. Nope. What happens if I just get that out of it? What about now? Nope, still not. What about the forever loop? So maybe forever, put the forever loop in there, like this. Hold up a second. This is gonna show, and then it's not actually changing. Oh, I get it now. Sorry. Change Y by minus 10. Yeah, because 10 is actually going up. Sorry about that. And I recommend putting the forever loop inside the repeat until touching line. So just put that there. So now they should be dropping, and they're not disappearing for some reason. So it goes back to 100. Yes. that, so maybe not the forever, so maybe just repeat until, and then that, over that. Yeah, now they are deleting when they touch the bottom. Well, actually not the bottom, so I would say set this to -180. Let's see that. Yeah, 180 should be good, but maybe 185, -185. Yeah, now they're kind of dropping out the screen. It's dropping off the screen. So I would say go to looks, go back to your little money sprite, and we're gonna go to get the go to front layers and put it at the top in when I start to clone, and put it at the back so they're behind, as you can see. And I'll just say I would duplicate this. But then put this to 0.3 seconds, but I'm not, because for some people it's gonna lag. So yeah. So now, as we play the game, you see it's raining money. It's raining money, and when I set this, as you can see, like that, and I get 2 cash per second. So yeah. So yeah, so that's all. So I think it's time to wrap up my video. So yeah, so I guess I'll see you later.